Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this. The Wolfgang 4K Mini Beamer with official Netflix and a lot of other apps. And more, because it comes with 26,000 lumens, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. It's a smart projector with 50% of zoom level if you need it, and keystone correction. 180-degree rotatable home theater beamer. It's compatible with a TV stick, an iOS smartphone, Android smartphone, personal computer, PlayStation, Xbox, next-gen console, HDMI connect devices like Blu-ray player, and a Wii. This device here comes with an official Netflix and over 1,000 of apps. Because this smart mini projector has built-in official authorized mainstream streaming platforms such as Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, etc. We turn on the projector and immediately we can enjoy the audio-visual festival of the official software without the tedious mobile phone screen projection, for example. It also includes over 1,000 constantly updated built-in software programs to help us create a custom home theater. Of course, you can pair it using a smartphone. That's possible. Of course, you can pair it with your Xbox, for example. And. It's possible. But alone, stand alone, you can also connect to a Wi-Fi network, and using the Wi-Fi network, you can enter into a lot of apps because there is a smart operation system. And we have native 1080p image quality and 26,000 lumens. Because this portable projector supports a native 1080p image quality and an up to 4K image quality. The new generation of highly permeable lenses offers a brightness of 26,000 lumens, ensure ultra high clarity and image performance. Whether we want to enjoy a cozy movie night after a busy day or enjoy a warm home theater together on a vacation, it can fulfill all our wishes. The projection screen is not included in the price. And you see here, this is my standard wall where I have a look with that projector. So a white wall is enough, but of course it's better to get a canvas. And this home projector supports an ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6 connection, so we can enjoy the screen projection experience of our mobile phone without delay. Perfect for home theater, video games, and of course, nice for parties. Equipped with an HDMI port and USB port and a 3.5mm audio interface, it can be easily connected, as you can see, to our smartphones, tablets, iPads, laptops, television sticks, boxes, game consoles, USB sticks, and other devices. And it's rotatable bracket, because this home theater projector for the bedroom is equipped with a 180 degrees rotatable bracket that can be easily projected onto the wall or the ceiling. Without the need for an additional mount, we can adjust the most convenient viewing angle and enjoy a free and immersive viewing experience. As durable as a laptop, but it's lighter, so it's easy to take with us for outdoor projections. And the intelligent video projector has an automatic vertical trapezoid correction and a manual 4-angle trapezoid correction function, which allows us to easily set the best projection image at any projected angle. The lossless image zoom function from over 50% up to 100 ensures that the viewing experience during the home projection is no longer affected by tedious image adjustments. And Wolfgang has been a professional photography brand for many years to research into camera photography and offers a high quality imaging products for the camera sector. At the same time, it brings us these devices for a really good price. So in this price range, the projector is really good and makes a good job. Why? Because it's a smart projector with an officer certification of Netflix, for example, 4K support, and Wi-Fi 6, 180 degrees tiltable. We have a nice display projector, a good picture possibility, and it goes up to 300 inches of possible projector range. Really nice, really good. This is the Wolfgang 4K Mini Beamer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.